going on, guys? We are out here just enjoying some bike time on the Ripper. She's dialed in 9 psi in the front. We're about 10.5 or 9 in the back, 10.5 in front. Lectron Set On Kill. Lectron Set On Kill, guys. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Woohoo! What's going on, man?
What have you been up to?
Oh, no. All right, guys, we ran into a good buddy right there, and we had to talk to him, say what's up. It's actually a subscriber's pops, real good kid. Brandon, shout out to Brandon out there. I believe that's your name. I'm terrible with names. Anyways, let's get back into it. Woo-hoo! This is always a nice floater right here. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Yeah! That bike is pretty clean right there. I like seeing the old school Rippers out here. Oh, dude, it smells so good coming. Smells pretty good coming back where I was just riding at. The Zamsoil. Kind of dig it. I'm digging it, actually. Look at that. I can smell it. Woo-hoo. Gotta be careful right here because people coming around this corner. That one too. Oh, that was a rut. Oh! got jammed up right there, guys. Where the guy go? You cross over? I don't know, but we'll go for it. Remember from last ride, there's a trail right here. There it is. Oh, we got a deer. Woo! She's feeling good, guys. That was a nice hill climb. We got sideways, like always, right there. It's pretty intense, but you know, what is riding if you ain't stuck on a hill like this? Some sketchy situation, right? All right, let's get down this. Woo! Woo! Oh! Snap! Snap! Should we do it again? What you thinking we're gonna do it again, man? What you thinking we should do it again? Hell to the yeah! Ah! Squid! Whoa, I wasn't planning on going down this. Oh, guys, that was awesome. Oh shoot, we're gonna end it right here, guys. Thanks for watching. Share this video and subscribe. Make sure you like that. That was pimp. Peace, guys.